guys, so here we are at BSU. Ayan, so we are watching sa gym po nila dito. So, it's very nice kasi it's so maluwag. So we bring ayan, kasama ko yung cousins ko and everyone. Ayan, so
to the honors.
and ayan, marami kami nanonood dito. Ayun sila guys sa likod. Sila may ayan, so we are attending the ceremony, alright, of the graduates, of course. So,
Solemnly swear.
ayan. Congratulations sa pinsan namin. Si Joy. Ayan. Cum laude siya. We don't know. And we were surprised nung nandito na kami. Cum laude siya. So, congratulations, guys. And job well done. Ayan.
Congratulations.
And yes, this is still the start of your journey. So, keep it up. Congratulations.